Say yes after you do so. All right.
Group.
Start presenting everyone. Mukul, Shaksham, Aditya, and Siddharth. Can we start, guys?
Me too is ready.
Meet one. Siddharth.
Meet 4 is not ready yet.
Meet
All
4.
right. Meet 1 and Meet 3.
Meet one is ready, sir.
Meet
Meet
3.
3 also ready.
Meet 4.
Okay, Meet 4. Just let me know.
Okay, he's ready.
Okay, Meet 4 is ready. Now everyone will be redirected to YouTube. We can start.
Yes, Shavi. You may go ahead.
हेलो एवरीवन यार जल्दी जल्दी ज्वाइन कर लो सब एंड प्लीज सेंड द मैसेजेस इन योर क्लास ग्रुप्स अगर किसी सियाज ने ज्वाइन किया है तो यार ऑफिशियल ग्रुप्स पे भेज दो
स्टार्ट कर देना.
Okay. So, hello, I am Chavi Talwar and my fellow host Sneha, along with my whole team. We all are members of the Indian Game Theory Society. And we all welcome you to a new chapter of your life, the chapter of NSUT. We rarely apologize for the delay, but we are going to start in a few minutes. By then, please send the link in your class and with your friends and all those who are interested in the society. By then, let's play an interesting game. We all call it Cryptos. I want Sneha to get you go through all the rules of the game.
All right, thanks, Chavi. Next slide, please. All right, so let me take you through the rules of this game once. It is called Cryptos 2x3. The rules of this game, first of all, what you have to do in this game is that you have to select a number between 0 and 1000 and you have to fill that number in the Google form, and after the submissions are over, average of the numbers that are submitted by you all would be calculated in the backend, and the participant whose number is closest to 2/3 the value of the average value will win the first prize. What are the rules? There is only one rule, that you have to select the number between 0 and 1000 only. No other number can be selected. So now that the rules are clear, a Google form would be circulated in the chat box. Open the Google form, fill the credentials carefully. You can submit the form only once and fill your number over there, and you can start now.
Okay, interface is 1, 2, 3, 4. Please go ahead and share the form with your meet. All right. And so while says after you do so. Okay, both are included. So yes, we can go ahead with the presentation. They'll fill their respective bits meanwhile.
Yeah. By the time you guys are filling the form, let's go through our presentation.
All right, so without any further ado, let's move forward with the meet. So first thing first, since we are in Indian Game Theory Society orientation, so the first question that comes to our mind is, what is game theory? And what is it all about? How I'm going to describe it in small terms. So game theory is all about strategies. It's about making strategies. And what are strategies? Strategy is about making choices. It's about deliberately choosing to be different, as Michael Porter states it. So basically here we think rationally, we make intelligent decisions. Most of you who have interacted with the members of IGTS via the WhatsApp groups must have a rough idea about how we pick day-to-day life situation or business ventures, political issues, sometimes even coding problems, and apply game theory to it. And try to understand why those people or association who dealt with those situations did what they did. Could there have been a better approach? In a way, we can also optimize the problems. In a way, this enhances our logical as well as analytical side. Game theory brings to a chaos theory table the idea that generally these societies are not designed. They are not formatted. These societies are very random. And however, still we can infer some loop or pattern in this society. This is what game theory is all about. Now, let me tell you about few famous game theorists. They are John Nash Jr. and John von Neumann. John Nash Jr., he is a very famous game theorist. These two have made various important contributions to the domain of game theory. After the name of John Nash Jr., only a very important concept, that is Nash equilibrium in game theory, has been named. John von Neumann has made important contributions in mathematical formulation of quantum mechanics as well. Now that we have learned about these game theorists, I think I should start with the important thing, that is what we do as a society. So basically, this game theory society was founded by Mr. Manoj Gadia on 30th December 2015. And the basic motive of this society is that we educate ourselves and everyone about game theory and strategic thinking, how to make strategies, and we aim to educate more and more people about it. Now you may ask why. The simple answer to it is that game theory, the concepts of game theory are very important. Like, they are required in various domains, starting from psychology to politics to academics to maybe business and something as techy as artificial intelligence. Like, you name it, and there we have game theory. So as a growing individual, it becomes a necessity for us to know these technicalities of game theory. So that is why, following that aim, we at NSUT opened our chapter in March 2018, and since then the growth of the collective has been quite remarkable. From here, I pass stage to Chavi so that she can give you a little more insight to how we function as a society. Chavi, you can take over.
Thank you, Sneha. So by now, as we all have got to know that what IGTS is, I hope everybody is clear now that it's not a chess society because we have horse in it. No, it is not. It is the game theory society. Now, everybody wonders what we actually do, how we work, or what zones we basically focus upon. Academic and logical reasoning, along with mathematics, are the main highlights of our society because every game needs an unpatterned yet defined path to get followed. Nevertheless, the core team also focuses on developing new games, offline as well as online too. But now you wonder, do we only do development? No, not at all. We also conduct events. We conduct events in various well-named universities, well-named colleges. As you can see in our timeline, very successful events has been conducted in different IITs, IIMs, and other Delhi circuit colleges and universities too. These are the journey which we can tell you मतलब लाइक तुम लोग याद कर, मतलब तुम्हें तो इतना नहीं होगा आइडिया क्योंकि सिंस इट्स ऑनलाइन एंड पैंडेमिक इज गोइंग थ्रू, बट व्हेन द थिंग्स वर ऑफलाइन बहुत मजा आता था ऑफलाइन. लाइक वी यूज्ड टू बाय बुक आवर ओन ऑडिटोरियम, हम इवेंट्स खुद कंडक्ट कराते हैं, वी मीट न्यू पीपल, वी हैव आवर ओन ऑरा of conducting our events. We maybe actually meet new people with different ideology, different thinking, and so on. But things are online now, so you can see we are right now conducting our meets online and even touched the international level as well. These clips you can see we are conducting our events and discussing about theories all around the country and even in Russia from youth as well. Okay, so this is one of the interesting thing, our biannual edition. This is the edition which comes out twice a year, in which we write our whole work of production as well as have a few fun games as well, as we have also played in our WhatsApp groups too. I hope most of you have involved in it. If anybody wants to see this newsletter edition, they can go through our social media handle. Medium is the main point where we put our articles. Otherwise, the link has been also provided in your chat box. So Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are the also our social media handles in which you can follow us for the updates. Okay, अब तक मतलब like you everybody got to know कि मतलब हाँ how our society works and what the actual game theory is. So if you have little bit of interest in mathematics or logistics, then IGTS is the right place for you. And even if you don't have and you want to know about strategies and how things go through at the back end of the gamings, then too IGTS is the place for you. So these are the frequently asked questions which students have doubt in themselves. So before clearing your doubts individually, we just want you to go through the doubts that are mentioned in the slide. I hope almost you have read the query and FAQs. Okay, I just want to tell you that we have divided into 4 different short meets so that each and individual doubts will be clear with a crystal clear clearance. Oh, we just played a game. Maybe half of you have joined and half of you wasn't there. But the one who wasn't there, it's time to show the result. I want one of my senior to show you the result of the bids you have put in.
Just a minute, guys. The results are being calculated. We'll be with you in a minute or so. So, Shavi, just stop presenting your screen for a
Yeah,
minute.
sure, sir.
Thank you. Okay. So, is my screen visible, guys? Is my screen visible, guys?
Yes, it is visible.
So we received around some 350 plus bids, and the mean came out to be 200 and the 2/3 of the mean came out to be 247.13. And the guys who got the nearest bids were Siddharth Goenka and Shreyas Bell. Congratulations, guys. You made a very on-point guess. So we hope you all got the gist of the game. And for those who have missed this, and for also those who have already participated in round 1, we'll float this form again, and you may fill your bids. And we expect you by now you might have figured out the strategy, because after the second round, we'll tell you what the strategy behind this game is, the game theory strategy. Thanks. The forms will be open in a second or so. Okay.
So I would like Sneha to go through you the rules again. बच्चे जो स्टार्टिंग में नहीं आए थे यार, अब पार्टिसिपेट करना. इट इज अ वेरी फन गेम एंड इट्स लाइक भाई मजा आ जाएगा तुम लोगों को ये खेल के. You will feel the actual how the actual game theory works. Sneha, please let them go through the rules.
Okay, so let us revise the rules once again. So this is a game that is Cryptos 2 by 3, and the rules are basically that each participant will be guessing a number from 0 to 1000, and you will be filling that number in your Google form. After the submissions are over, average would be calculated. Average of the numbers that are submitted by you would be calculated. The participants whose number is closest to 2/3 of the value of the average value wins the first prize. And you cannot select a number outside this range, 0 to 1000. So these are the rules.
Now the form will be circulated in your chat box and ये वाला बेटिया जल्दी जल्दी भर दो क्योंकि like we don't have much time for this build. And अब लोग I hopefully ज़्यादा clearly कर पाए and they know how the thing will work.
Chavi, after this, we have the strategy explanation, right?
Yes, sir.
So let them read the FAQ once if they have any doubts, they might resolve it. So we'll be waiting for around 40 to 50 seconds. After that, we'll shut the form down and let you know the strategy behind what we were actually doing. Ten more seconds, guys. Sneha, go ahead.
Okay guys, so now you have played this game 2 times and you have even seen the results of first round. So I guess now this is the time that we should discuss the strategy of this game, because we are not letting you go without giving you an insight of this game. I mean, थोड़ा तो पढ़ना चाहिए, थोड़ा तो सीखना चाहिए यहाँ पे. So let me start with the basic thought. Basically we think on levels. So सबसे पहले लेवल पे शुरू करते हैं. So generally लोग क्या सोचेंगे? The first level they think is that other guys, the other participants, they are going to select a number at random from 1 to 1000. And so the average would be around 500. So basically हमें करना क्या है इस गेम में? हमें प्रिडिक्ट करना है कि एवरेज कितनी जाएगी. एंड वंस वी प्रिडिक्ट दैट एवरेज, हम अपना नंबर जो बिट डालेंगे अंदर वो 2/3 ऑफ एवरेज डाल देंगे. सो थ्रू आउट द स्ट्रैटेजी हम एवरेज पे फोकस करेंगे, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली जो एवरेज हम प्रिडिक्ट कर रहे हैं, जो अज्यूम कर रहे हैं, उस एवरेज का 2/3 हम अपने फॉर्म्स में डाल देंगे. सो फर्स्ट अजम्पशन हम मान के चलते कि एवरेज अराउंड 500 होगा, बिकॉज सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स रैंडमली फिल कर रहे होंगे फॉर्म को. 1 से 1000 तक कोई भी नंबर डाल रहे होंगे. सो एवरेज अराउंड 500 होगा. सो हमारा विनिंग नंबर अराउंड 333 होगा. नाउ कुछ लोग होते हैं जो नेक्स्ट लेवल सोचते हैं. वो क्या सोचते हैं कि बाकी लोग भी ये सोच रहे हैं. वाई दे अज्यूम दैट और लोग सोच रहे हैं? बिकॉज उनको पता है कि बाकी पार्टिसिपेंट्स भी जीतने के लिए खेल रहे हैं. सो दे आर नॉट अंडर एस्टिमेटिंग देयर फेलो प्लेयर्स. सो वो क्या सोचेंगे कि क्योंकि हम अपने फॉर्म में 333 भर रहे हैं ये सोच के कि बाकी प्लेयर्स रैंडमली भर रहे हैं, तो बाकी प्लेयर्स भी यही सोच रहे होंगे, एंड दैट इज वाई वो भी अपने फॉर्म में 333 फिल कर रहे होंगे. सो जो अपना एवरेज है, जो हम अज्यूम कर रहे थे कि 500 होना चाहिए, वो 333 के अराउंड हो जाएगा. सो अपना विनिंग नंबर 2/3 ऑफ 333 दैट इज 222 के अराउंड होना चाहिए. सो फिर वो लोग जो नेक्स्ट लेवल सोचते हैं वो लोग 222 फिल कर देते हैं. अब ये साइकिल रिपीट होती रहती है. अब क्योंकि मैंने ये सोचा कि बाकी प्लेयर्स भी खेल रहे हैं जीतने के लिए, सो बाकी प्लेयर्स भी ये सोच सकते हैं, राइट? सो क्योंकि बाकी प्लेयर्स सोच रहे होंगे तो वो लोग भी 222 को बेस्ट चॉइस मान सकते हैं. सो हो सकता है कि अब इसके लिए मुझे मेरी क्राउड देखनी होगी. तो अगर मेरी क्राउड को मैं बहुत ज्यादा मतलब कम अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रही हूँ, उनको मैं अच्छा मान रही हूँ, सो मैं कहूंगी कि हाँ वो सेकंड लेवल तक सोच लेंगे। सो मैं 222 नहीं भरूंगी, मैं सोचूंगी कि बाकी सारे 222 भर रहे हैं, सो मैं समवेयर उसका 222 का 2/3 दैट इज 148 वो भर रही होंगी, राइट। एंड हो सकता है कि मैं सोचूं कि मेरी क्राउड इससे भी बेटर है, वो ये भी सोच रही हो, सो मैं 148 का भी 2/3 99 भर रही होंगी। और मैं और भी सोचूं, मैं नेक्स्ट लेवल सोचूं कि हो सकता है कि बाकी लोग और भी अच्छे हो, वो भी ये सोच रहे हो, सो हो सकता है कि वो लोग 99 भर रहे हो तो मैं उसका 2/3 भर रही होंगी 65 एंड सो ऑन। और ये रिकर्सिवली जब मैं करती जाऊंगी, कोडिंग में होता है ना जैसे रिकर्जन, तो वही रिकर्सिवली अगर मैं करती जाऊंगी ये चीज, तो मैं फाइनली जो बेस्ट बिड आ रही है वो 1 हो रही है। सो गेम थ्योरी क्या कहता है, थ्योरेटिकली कहता है कि तुम 1 भरो, 1 इज द बेस्ट चॉइस। रिकर्सिवली जब तुम इस लूप को चलाओगे और इसको बार बार साइकिल को रिपीट करोगे, सो बेस्ट चॉइस 1 आ रही है। बट ऑब्वियसली थ्योरेटिकली है ये, सो ये प्रैक्टिकल से थोड़ा डिफरेंट है। सो यही एक्सपेरिमेंट जो है येल यूनिवर्सिटी में हुआ था, और वहां पे क्या हुआ था, उनको 1 से 100 के बीच में नंबर सेलेक्ट करने के लिए दिया था। सो वहां पे जो आना चाहिए था आउटपुट वो 1 आना चाहिए था। एंड ऑब्वियसली ये गेम थ्योरी की क्लास में दिया था उनको, सो वहां पे सारे गेम थ्योरिस्ट बैठे हुए थे। सो आना 1 चाहिए था बट आया समवेयर अराउंड 11-12 था। क्यों आया था? बिकॉज गेम थ्योरी की थ्योरी तो होती है, साथ में अपना क्राउड एनालिसिस भी होता है। सो उन्होंने एनालिसिस किया कि मेरी जो क्राउड है वो कुछ लोग रैंडमली होंगे, जो रैंडमली चूज कर रहे होंगे बड़े नंबर्स, कुछ लोग होंगे जो कि अपने बाकी ओपोनेंट्स को अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रहे होंगे, इसीलिए वो एक ही राउंड के एक ही साइकिल चला के और 333 फिल कर रहे होंगे फॉर्म्स में। मींस 333 नहीं, 100 के लिए 33 हो जाएगा, सो वो लोग 33 फिल कर रहे होंगे। और कुछ लोग होंगे जो 2-3 साइकिल के बाद रुक जाएंगे, सो वो 22 फिल कर रहे होंगे, राइट। सो इसीलिए वो लोग अपना एवरेज, मतलब जो नंबर 1 भरना था वो 1 से थोड़ा उठा के भरते हैं। सो यहाँ पे गेम थियोरी में थ्योरी तो है, साथ में अपना जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं वो क्या सोच सकते हैं, कितने तक सोच सकते हैं, राइट, इसका भी एनालिसिस होता है। थिंकिंग इन प्ले, पुटिंग योरसेल्फ इन अदर प्लेयर शूज, राइट। सो ये सारी थ्योरीज हम गेम थ्योरी में लेसन्स में पढ़ते हैं। यहाँ पे मैंने बहुत वेगली तुम्हें इस साइकिल को समझाया है, एंड दिस इज व्हाट कॉमन नॉलेज इज। कॉमन नॉलेज इज कि आई नो यू नो, आई नो यू नो। अब ये बहुत टेक्निकल हो जाएगा, इसलिए कॉमन नॉलेज अगर मैं बहुत लेमैन टर्म्स में बोलूं तो कॉमन नॉलेज इज बेसिकली कि सबको पता है कि बाकी लोगों को भी ये चीज पता है कि बाकी लोगों को भी ये चीज पता है। आई गेस थोड़ा आइडिया लग रहा होगा इसका। सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट यू विद अ स्मॉल क्लिप of a movie where game theory is applied in this movie. It's a very interesting clip, guys.
Shall we?
Okay, so I hope you all looked at this clip very carefully. This is a perfect example of how game theory applies. Chavi, next slide. Just a second.
Yeah.
Okay, so just to sum up the situation, basically what's happening is the Joker has planted a bomb on 2 ships. So one ship has the civilians, which are basically the good people, and the other ship has prisoners, which are basically evil. And both of them have the detonators for each other. So a ship has the detonator for the other ship. Now, each of these ships have 2 options, either to cooperate or to detonate. So this is a perfect example for game theory. And there's a, like, apart from these 2 choices, the Joker tells them that they will both be blown up if one does not detonate the other. So why game theory? So if a ship cooperates, they are bound to die. So the choices are very obvious. If I choose to cooperate, either I'll die by the Joker or I'll die if the other ship detonates. If I detonate, I have the chance to survive.
So this is the most optimum, solution to this problem. So as a rational thinker and by theoretical game theory, this was the best option to detonate the other ship. But in the movie, both the ships decide do not to detonate. So which would eventually lead to the Joker detonating both the ships. So basically, the conclusion was that while studying game theory, it is important to remember that humans are not always rational. There is a huge part, empathy played a huge part in this. So, whether it's civilians or prisoners, people's morals can dominate their dominant strategy. Thank you.
So this is we are done with our presentation.
Shami, you can take over.
So, yes. So, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask them via chat box, via in your chat boxes. And those who have any questions, those who are watching our YouTube stream, they can type their questions in the comments, and we have our POCs to address them. Okay.
All meets can stop streaming.
And guys, you can focus on answering their queries. And by the way, guys, the results of the second round will be published on our Instagram. So please follow us, and winners are sure to get an acknowledgement from us on our social media. Here's the game Cryptos 2x3, which we played. The second round results will be on our Instagram. So wait for us there. They'll be out by, I guess, in a few hours.
Everyone watching on YouTube, if they are worried about their event with other societies which were clashing earlier, the other societies have made provisions, and you guys can stay as long as we continue, and then you can go to other orientations or events. They will make provisions for you. We have talked with other societies. You won't be facing any issues regarding that. The people wondering why they were were not allowed in the meeting, so we decided to have multiple meets instead of one huge meet, because we at IGTS think that personal interaction is more important than just an orientation, right? So we made multiple meets so that we can interact with all of you in small group of people, and we can handle more queries as compared when we would be having one common meet. And people on YouTube as well, we will address your queries, and we will be posting this orientation video on YouTube so that people who would miss this, they can watch it later, and you guys can watch it again and share with your friends who have missed the orientation. regarding orientation, regarding the recruitment, we will let you know after you have all the doubts. Other than recruitment, we will tell you everything about that. Here is the Instagram profile link so that you can see the results later for the Cryptos 2x3 game. And I will be reading out some questions on YouTube and I'll try to answer them. Please, guys, ask your queries in the live chat. Okay. So Laksha Sanghi has asked, how will I benefit from this in real life? Okay. So game theory can be applied in like various situations. Like even a simple game like okay, you cannot model this as a game, but think about dieting. So you can, I mean, like consider that as a game against your will, and we have so like all this content on our Instagram. So for when you join us, you will get to know that game theory is everywhere. And let me give you an example, a very simple example. Two examples you have seen, like the Joker movie and the number game. Other than that, suppose there are two shops. Okay, so assume there are only two shops right now, and both their price, though both sell same products, but their prices are also same right now. So now what one shop decides that he should reduce its prices. So one shop reduces. So what will happen? So one shop reduces. So there is the prices are unequal. So all the people would go to the shop with lower price, right? So if that happens, all the profits of the shop with the higher price would go to zero, right? So the shop with the higher price is bound to reduce their price. So both of them reduce their price, which like effectively helps the consumer. All right. So this is a very basic example in economics and game theory. It is known as price wars. So reducing the prices is always a dominant strategy, and people might have been like hearing this dominant strategy and these words. So you will get to know all of this once you join us. So yeah.
So that was all from us, guys. We'll be closing the central meet very soon, and
Yeah.
you can
Now
keep
let's talk
asking your
about-
doubts in the mini meets that we have created, in which you are a participant. And also, if you have any further queries or doubts, feel free to reach us on our social media handles. We'll be always there to answer your queries. Thank you.
Yes. So Abhay Mishra has asked a question that we will make games. Yes. Okay. So in our society, as you saw in our presentation, we do create our own games. We do create strategic games. This is not game development per se, that we are making video games like Valorant or anything. This is not that. We just meant we make strategic games, like make so that people can interact, and we like actually we can analyze the public behavior. That is a very good benefit of like making these games. And we do make our own games. We host our events with those games only.
Yes, right now our very own event is being taken place in IIT Goa, which IGTS NSUT is conducting together with IGTS Kharagpur and IGTS IIT Kharagpur and IGTS DTU. So guys, please go ahead and ask your questions. Our host will keep answering for you.
Yeah. Shamik, are we ready with the recruitment forms?
Yes, we are, but we can share the recruitment forms with them. Okay.
Okay,
And
let's
we'll also be
entertain
releasing
some.
be releasing a post shortly, a recruitment post on our Instagram. So just follow us and you'll get to know. That post will also be shared in our WhatsApp groups too. So do not worry.
Yeah, okay. Harsh Kumar has asked, where can I learn more about game theory? Is it just about puzzle solving or well-defined subject to study? Yes, okay. So yes, it is a formalized subject to study. It has like recognition, and like it has been formalized quite recently, but it is a very important like subject. So like even in our colleges, we even in our college we can take up subjects game theory. Like there is a subject in fifth semester, and we have NPTEL courses which teach game theory. So it's a very fun subject. It's not all about theoretics. It's about having fun and actually competing. So like you think about what your opponent is going to do, right? In every game, you're going to think that the opponent, what is he's going to do, what is he, where is the place he's coming from, if you are playing like a shooting game or anything. So like that you think about, that comes under game theory. So like how to plan strategically, like how to place your next move. So that all comes in game theory. All right.
So now interface, people on the interface, you can stop sharing your screens. Recording is about to
Yes,
stop.
Ajit Kumar. Ajit Kumar, yes, we can create our own games like this.
Okay. Yes. So
Are we live on YouTube?
I guess we are. Parikshit?
Let's stay live till 4:30.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. People. Yes. Ajit Kumar. Yes, we create our own games like this. You will know all about them once you join us, or if you participate in our events. Okay. One important thing, guys, about the recruitment. Okay. So we will be having our recruitment process after the NSUT Thon week or after the Freshers week. So before that, we will be having our event in NSUT Thon, the Ultimate Door. We will have our event. So we will have our interviews and all the tests and all the rounds after NSUT Thon. So we will be releasing the recruitment form right now, and the deadline is 13th January, 11:59 p.m. Till that, you can fill the form, and we'll provide you with that. And the people who will participate in our NSUT Thon and will perform well, the top performers, will like get a head start in the recruitment process. So that like the hard part can be skipped if you perform well in the NSUT Thon event. So I urge you all to like join us in the NSUT Thon event. It will be fun. You can ask your seniors. All of them have attended it, and they all know about the history. And it's really fun and really like brings out the best in you. Yeah. Okay. Eternal Effect. Yes, it is open for second years as well. Okay. Let me see any other question. Okay. Okay. How much statistics portion is required for? No, actually, minimal requirement for studies. You do not need to know anything. You just need to have logic. We will like guide you through everything, so that won't be an issue. Yeah. What is the learning process? Yes. Join us, Shrestha. Shresht. I hope I am pronouncing your name right. Okay, NSUT Thon. Okay, it is a Freshers Week, Ankit Singla. the Freshers Week, which will be hosted by Crosslinks for this. Jatin, you will get to know all of this in a few days. Crosslinks will release all the details regarding it. Freshers Week will start from 17th January. Kanupriya, there is no prerequisite. You just need to have logic. That's it. Shami,
Yes,
can we send the recruitment links everywhere?
yes, we can, and we'll also be sharing an Instagram post. So tell them not to worry. They'll have quite a while to fill the form.
Yeah.
सर मीट वन तो एंड हो चुकी है
Okay.
रिक्रूटमेंट लिंक सर या फिर
Recruitment links will be-
group पे ही डाल दें तो
Yes, yes,
better
they'll be shared.
Yes.
They'll be shared. Do not worry. They'll be shared for coming 2 or 3 days, so they do not need to worry. They'll have their forms. And what about Meet 2, 3, and 4? Are doubts still being resolved there? Or have they ended as well? I guess.
Okay, Abhay, you can perform well in our NSUT Thorn event, as I said. Yeah, okay. Yes, Amitabh, it can be applied in Clash of Clans. You just need to have like search on the net and like you will get articles regarding it. Like our society focuses on each and every aspect, like from psychology to coding, like everything. Like it's a very fun society and very diverse like subjects, very diverse topics we take up on. Like we are going to release an article about Spider-Man and Spider-Man's history and its conflict with other movies. So that is going to be fun. Look out for that. Okay, so let's end the live.
Okay, Parikshit, you can stop the streaming right now.
Okay, thank
Thank
you
you
everyone
guys
for
for
attending
joining
our
us.
orientation.